Hello, and I wanted to update you on a very interesting networking meeting that I have attended tonight. A fantastic Tuesday evening networking event called Adventures in Wellbeing, of which I'm part of. It's run by Praveen and James. Thank you very much for those lovely events. And I want to share with you today some of the questions that we've been asked to answer. So, the first one was, how do I align my passions, my services, with the needs of the public, especially during these challenging times? What are my passion? One of my passion is helping startup entrepreneurs and small business owners get started and get unstuck with their business. I have plenty other passions, but this is the one that I turned into a business. And the way that I adapted this to the current situation is making it more affordable and making it available right now. Simple because there is an overload of information at the moment online, and free to get started. So this is how I tailored my passion and my services to the current needs, making it more affordable, available right now, simple, no overload, and the creative side of things. But something that I discussed earlier today with an interview is I love what I do. I'm passionate about what I do, and I love having fun with it. And I do incorporate a lot of my creativity and fun with the running of my business. That's another trait that is important when you have when you are passionate about what you do. It will come across, and you'll be able to have fun while you work and still do the work. Question number two was, what are the new steps you have taken to be more effective in your business? So I discovered that since things are moving extremely fast, much faster than normal, although I'm very good at taking action now, I need to take action much quicker. And hence the video tonight, straight after the event, because things change so quickly. And I think that's the main point that I've taken on from last week. And again, very quickly adapting to it and putting things into action. We were thirdly asked, how do we envisage moving forward with our businesses with the current situation? And just like everyone else, I had to adapt my business, and I'm in the process of creating two new legs of my business with a very high ROI, return on investment. I'm putting all that together. It's still in the creation process, so I don't want to say much about it at the moment. And what I'm also working on is financial, so putting all my financials together with the help of a financial planner, and applying for finance, some finance for my business. I'm looking at some really positive financial projections by August 2021, so in just over a year's time. This was the last question that we were asked, how financially we're looking at the progression of our business. So August 2020, this year, the business is going to hit the year number 2. So I'm planning an explosive year number 3 in August 2021. And all that through small steps every single day with the strategy in mind, with planning, taking action, and reviewing and adapting in the current situation. So that's my take on tonight's questions. We also took part in some sort of journaling where we had some very interesting questions about energy, work, and love. How does the best self look like, goals, and the big whys. So that was really interesting as well. Hope this insight that I shared with you was of interest. Like always, please do get in touch if you need help. You can find us on CCJM Consulting on most other platforms. Thank you again for watching and see you soon.